Hello everyone, officially welcome to my channel. So today I received 2 products in the mail. These products are put out by the Crayon Case. I absolutely love both of those products, and I do plan on buying more in the future, but that's besides the point. I decided to play in my makeup today, and I was like, let's not let it go to waste. So here I am with the introduction video. So I am LaRachel, and I'm a certified mixologist, and I'm also known as Crown.RaeLaShay. So with this whole COVID-19 and pandemic going on, I first would like to say I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy and well, and enjoying their quarantine. So during this whole quarantine, I decided to pick up a new hobby for myself. If you have experienced this, where you are this person, you know, before you go out to the bar with your friends or the club, you make some type of concoction and you want everybody to taste it's either a success or a fail. That was me. But I know, we know that ain't the right thing to do. So I was like, let's become a certified mixologist. So I did my research and I reached out to the ABC Bartending School in Atlanta, and I attended a 6-day class. It's from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and I absolutely enjoyed the class. I highly recommend that if you are interested in bartending, or even if you're not interested in bartending and just love to make your own drinks, that you take the class, because it was an awesome experience and I think you will really enjoy it. It is challenging, but you have so much fun that you forget how challenging it is. So yes, I highly recommend that you take the class. Also, the reason why I chose to become a certified mixologist is because I am a college student. I did attend UNCG, the University of North Carolina at Greensboro, and I graduated with a kinesiology major and a minor in coaching. I am currently in grad school, and I'm studying at Life University, and I'm studying to become a chiropractor. So I'm taking like 26.5 credit hours, and it's a lot. I did have a job and try to balance school. I was working at Nike for quite some time, but it was hard. So with being a bartender, I get to kind of make my own hours. It fits with my schedule, and it's quick cash, so it just works out perfect for me. So I decided to make this channel so you no longer have to make concoctions. You now know what to do. So I hope that you like, subscribe, and share my channel, and I can't wait to share more videos with you. And if you have any suggestions, please comment below or just message me. And also follow me at my Instagram right here, and I can't wait to share more videos. Thanks guys.